Hi there, if you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra with your car, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to settings. Now tap on connected device and scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will find Android Auto, and this will help you to connect your device with a vehicle. From here you will find a button plus connect a vehicle, a plus button here, and here you can find some settings you can do according to your needs, like you can start Android Auto while your phone is locked, or you can start music automatically, and then your taskbar widget, if you want it to display after taskbar widget when you connect it with your vehicle, then you can tap on this. You can enable these settings. You can enable Google Assistant if you want. You can control your device and the connection with your car or vehicle with voice. Now you just need to simply tap on connect a vehicle button here. Now you can connect a vehicle with a wire, and you can use a cable. You can connect a cable with your device and your vehicle port, where it will connect both of the device that are available on your car device and your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, you can connect your device, this S25 Ultra, wirelessly with your car device that are available. You just need to tap on connect using wireless device, then you just need to connect using Bluetooth. It is only options that you have to open or turn on the Bluetooth, and you have to connect Bluetooth of your device with the car device. Then you just need to click on pair a device. Now after turning on your car's Bluetooth, you just need to tap on that Bluetooth, and it will ask for pair with that network or that Bluetooth. Then you have to confirm it, and after pairing with your car's Bluetooth and your device Bluetooth, you can just use your device with your car device. You can connect your Android this S25 Ultra with your vehicle or car. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.